The day when I had purchased it and got everything done, I called my husband, and at first he was like, oh my God, I can't believe you did this. And I'm like, but you've been telling me to do this. And then he was like, you're right. So, just, whatever you love to do, just do it, And I love food, as you can tell, so there you go.
Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame, cause I came to the game and I changed it to play.
I've been a cook for such a long time. I've had to cook for my family when I was young also. I was probably 13, 14 years old, took care of my grandparents. My parents had to work in their 9-to-5 jobs. They didn't get home till 7 o'clock at night, so I cooked the meals.
2,
And I've got
1.
to say, yeah. Woo! I work hard each and every day.
Tony, we went through the whole process and she was great, and here I am today picking it up. I'm so excited.
I won't stop till I make a change.
It's time to make some money.
I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, la, la.